Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Brian Kelly here, reporting to you from my home office here in Garner. Wanted to do another video today. I did a video yesterday, and it was about a kind of like a test I did for myself to see how much I could earn in a half an hour. Okay, um, starting at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Um, and so here it is right here. Again, this is a E-mini S&P 500 contract is 622. This is a 10-minute chart. Each vertical line here represents 10 minutes of time. Okay. You have April 27th. These are the times, all the way up until present time here. And then you have, as you can see, let me see here. Let me get my cursor. Just give me a moment here. Off. Okay. As you can see in this area here, from here to here, this is like pre-market. And it's kind of, well, this part here is kind of sideways, and then it has a drop here. And as you can see, this is the open of the market around 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, and it's gone up dramatically, and it's gone down dramatically. Some really huge swings. I'm not sure what's going on in the news or what have you, but you know, um, that's a really good sign, as far as profit wise for anyone who knows what they're doing in their trading. And so I wanted to show this to you here. I did this in 30 minutes. And let me see here. Here. See here. 675 E-mini S&P 500. Okay. And there you have it. Okay. So this is really cool. Um, and also, let me show you. This chart here is E-mini S&P 500, and I have a method that I use, of course, that I have that teaches you how to trade the S&P 500. You can pretty much trade it all day if you want to using this methodology. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can. We teach in it to take profits small profits until you feel comfortable increasing your contract size. And then once you do, of course, when you scale up, you're trading more contracts, and you're only getting a couple of ticks, which is a half a point, but that adds up fairly quickly. And doing it that way, I find it's very conservative, but it's very safe for your money. So you're not like trying to stay in the market all day and things like that. Just on one particular trade, you kind of get in and you get out and get in and you get out. That's how you do it. And when you do it that way, the way I teach, it'll really allow you to make some really quick money without the stress of feeling like it's going to reverse against you. Because by the time things start getting shaky, you're already out of the trade. Okay, so that's how that works. But anyway, I have this is the S&P here, but I'm going to show you now. This is the Dow. Okay, so the YM is the E-mini Dow. All right, this is a 3 minute chart, and as you can see, these are the times below, all the way up until present time, 10:15. Okay, and as you can see, all through. Let me see. Let me get my cursor again. 1 second here. Where's that cursor? Oh, there. Okay. Off. All right. Yeah. So all through here, this is like pre-market. It's just kind of steadily going down, and as you can see, at let's see here, 9:30 open, it continues to go down, and all of a sudden it takes a sharp upward move, and then it hits a certain point and just takes a sharp down. Starts going down like crazy. Okay. Again, the method that I teach for the Dow is a little bit different from the course that I teach for the S&P 500. In the Dow, today, of course, the signal did work. It did profit significantly this time. In the course, I teach you to get 8 to 10 points per contract. Okay, and today it hit it easily, no problem at all. As I've said before, I conducted a test, 45 trading days. 44 out of the 45 days, there was a winning trade for that. which equated to 8 to 10 points, only one loss in 45 trading days, which is pretty darn good, I'll say. And again, today it worked like gangbusters. It really did. The only thing about this is you get one trade per day on this particular method for the Dow. Okay. So that's basically it, guys. That's basically it. Again, I did a test today from 9:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and again, this right here, where is that? That's my profit for the day in a half an hour. Pretty good, pretty good. So, if you're interested and you want more information, what I recommend you do is these are two websites or videos rather. What I'd like for you to do is the one at the very top, that's for the S&P 500. The one at the bottom of the secret trading system, that's for the Dow. Okay. What I'd like for you to do is take a look at each one of those videos and see which one you like. Hopefully you like both of them. All you have to do is follow the instructions that it gives you at the end of the video, telling you what to do. Basically, it tells you to send an email to my email address. I will then forward you some written information via email, and you can proceed from there. My name is Brian, and this is my cell phone number. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I make no promises at all. I'm just a trader. I'm not spectacular, and I'm not telling you that you'll make, $1 zillion a day. I'm not saying that at all. I'm just offering something that's working for me, and I like to share stuff that's working for me to help you out. Okay, simple as that. So, with that being said, hope you guys have a great day. Again, go to secretwealthprogram.com. That's for the S&P 500. Secret Trading System is for the E-mini Dow. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye for now.